Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. One of our traditional Chinese festival is coming soon, which is Dragon Boat Festival. In Mandarin, we call it 龙舟节, 龙舟节, or another name, 端午节, 端午节. The date of this festival is 5th of May in lunar calendar. In this video, I will take you guys back to years ago and let's see what happened during that moment, the whole story of this festival. Also, I will introduce how we celebrate this festival nowadays, what we're gonna eat, what activities we're gonna do. So now, are you ready? Let's go!
The weather is hot in lunar May. The sun shines brightly. Everything is in bloom. People enjoy good time, but also troubled by 5 poisonous creatures: scorpions, vipers, centipedes, house lizards, and toads, and the very annoying mosquitoes. So how to protect yourself from all these evil creatures? There is a herb called wormwood. An ancient practice on Dragon Boat Festival is to cut wormwood and put them on the front door to repel evil things. And we made sachets for our kids. It's easy to carry with. Nowadays, we have many kinds of sachets. "2,000 years ago, there was a great poet called xuán. He couldn't bear the anguish when his motherland was invaded, so he drowned himself in the river. Local residents rowed boats to salvage him and dropped the rice balls into the river to distract fish's attention from his body. Later, people memorialized his patriotism by rowing and making rice balls on the Dragon Boat Festival. That's how the traditions of dragon boat racing and eating rice balls were started. Now, family gets together on Dragon Boat Festival. In general, Northern Chinese prefer sweet rice dumplings filled with red bean paste, while Southerners like savory ones with fillings such as egg yolk, pork, and mushroom. Rice balls, rice dumplings, we prefer to call it zongzi. Dragon boat racing has gained global popularity and helped promote exchange among countries.
Alright, that is all about today. I hope you enjoyed this video and really thanks for your time. If you really like my video or find it helpful, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I'm Daisy. I'm here to help you learning Mandarin. If you're interested in any topic about learning Chinese or the culture stories, just leave a comment. We will record it as a video only for you. 再见，拜拜。